Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate social media posts with Hootsuite. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Create a Hootsuite account if you haven't already. Visit the Hootsuite website and click on sign up. Choose a plan that suits your needs or start with the free trial. Once registered, log in to your account. On your dashboard, locate the My Profile section. Connect your social media accounts by selecting Add a Social Network. Follow the prompts to log in and authorize each account. After connecting, go back to your dashboard. Click on Publisher in the left-hand menu. Select the Content tab within the Publisher section. To create a new post, click on Create Post. Choose the social media account where you want to post. Write your content in the text box provided. Add any necessary links, hashtags, or mentions. If you want to include images or videos, click on the Media option. Upload the desired media files from your device. Once you're satisfied with your post, decide on a publishing option. Select Schedule for later to choose a specific date and time. A calendar will appear for you to set your preferred schedule. Confirm the date and time for your post. If you want to publish immediately, select Post Now. Review your scheduled posts in the Schedule tab. Make any edits as necessary by clicking on the post. Set alerts for upcoming posts so you can stay on top of your schedule. Use the Analytics section to track engagement and performance. Adjust your strategy based on the insights provided. Regularly check and update your content calendar. This will help maintain a consistent posting schedule. Explore Hootsuite's additional features to enhance your social media strategy. Now you're ready to automate your social media posts with Hootsuite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.